Going forward with the Airless bubble wrap project, I've been thinking about built-in fasteners and autonomous shape changes. What are the best sizes and shapes so that it's the most useful that it can be? I'm also trying to find a more sustainable or more environmentally friendly yarn source. There's still so much to do, so if you want to, you can follow my Instagram and I'll keep you posted.